BOSCH GOP40-30C StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit. Honest results and real proof. What if your oscillating multi-tool is the actual reason your projects take twice as long as they should? Not your skill, not the material, the tool itself. Picture this. You are mid-cut on a door jamb. The blade bogs down under resistance, the motor stutters, and the cut line drifts. That one moment costs you time, material, and confidence simultaneously. If that scenario feels uncomfortably familiar, you are exactly the person this is designed for and exactly why this conversation matters. Here is what most people never fully recognize about underperforming oscillating tools. The damage is rarely dramatic. It is quiet. It is cumulative. It is 10 minutes of rummaging for a wrench to change a blade that burned your fingers the last time you touched it. It is the motor slowing down mid-cut through dense hardwood, forcing you to reposition, restart, and hope the line stays reasonably true. It is arriving at a project and realizing your kit came with 4 accessories, and none of them actually fit the task in front of you right now. And here's the thing. Over the course of a full working week, those small friction points add up into hours of lost productivity and a rising frustration that follows you silently from one job site to the next. You start unconsciously compensating for the tool instead of trusting it completely. Your confidence in your own work quietly erodes without you noticing when it started. The projects that should feel genuinely satisfying start feeling like an unnecessary grind every single time. Then everything changed when I got truly serious about what an oscillating multi-tool actually needed to deliver at a professional level. Don't just pick any oscillating multi-tool. Make sure it has a true 3-dimensional torque transfer accessory interface so you never experience blade wobble, stalling mid-cut, or wasted motor power again. That is the precise engineering insight behind the BOSCH GOP40-30C StarlockPlus Oscillating Multi-Tool Kit, and it transforms the entire experience from the very first cut forward. The StarlockPlus 3-dimensional interface creates a cupped 3-dimensional grip between tool and accessory, which means absolutely zero wobble, even during deep plunge cuts into nail-embedded hardwood. The 4-amp motor with reinforced metal gearing does not slow down under load. That is not a marketing claim. Constant response circuitry actively maintains your chosen speed between 8,000 and 20,000 oscillations per minute, regardless of material resistance. So the tool pushes through dense hardwood at minute 20 exactly the same way it does at minute 1. The no-touch snap-in blade release changes accessories in seconds without burned fingers or extra tools needed. The integrated LED light illuminates every dark corner and under-cabinet cut line with genuine clarity. The 32-piece accessory kit covers blades, sanding pads, and scrapers comprehensively, so you arrive on any site fully prepared. One flooring installer described the wider 3-degree oscillating arc as immediately noticeable in both cut speed and blade longevity on daily jobs. That is verifiable, real-world proof you can feel directly in your hands. The credibility behind this tool comes from multiple independent directions, and none of it is manufactured or borrowed. Bob Vila's team awarded the BOSCH GOP40-30C an 8.5 out of 10 after structured hands-on testing, specifically highlighting its comfort during extended sessions, impressively low vibration profile, and strong, consistent performance across both wood and sheet metal cutting applications. Tools in Action called it the world's best oscillating tool after their own evaluation, praising the combination of raw power, low vibration, and genuine ease of handling under real conditions. A professional general contractor who has worked with tools from nearly every major brand on the market described the StarlockPlus interface as a genuine game changer, specifically noting that blades lock in with zero wobble, even on the most demanding deep cuts into dense material. A homeowner completing a full basement remodel called the no-touch blade release an absolute lifesaver after years of burning fingers on conventional blade change systems. One verified user directly compared it favorably to a fine multi-tool used daily in commercial professional applications. That is a meaningful statement from someone with serious daily context behind it. The BOSCH GOP40-30C StarlockPlus oscillating multi-tool kit transforms how cutting, sanding, and scraping actually feel on a real job. Faster cuts, cleaner lines, zero blade wobble, and a motor that holds its speed under pressure without complaint. Thousands of contractors, flooring installers, and serious DIYers are already working with this kit every single day and genuinely not going back to anything else. If you are ready to stop compensating for your tool and start fully trusting it, I have dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned it at the top of the comments. Just click and see for yourself. Your next project deserves a tool that is completely on your side.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.